The Ferretti Yachts Infynito 80 Overview. What does it mean to love the sea without boundaries? Ferretti Yachts answers with a name and a vision, Infynito. This is not a vessel in the traditional sense. It is a declaration of intent, a masterpiece of engineering for those who see the horizon not as a limit, but as an endless invitation to live in profound connection with the water. It is a philosophy that redefines the very essence of your time at sea, transforming it from a journey into a destination. At the heart of this revolution is a design philosophy that dissolves the boundaries between inside and out, creating a seamless panoramic flow of life on board. Its architectural signature is the iconic covered terrace, an all-weather, all-season sanctuary sheltered by an elegant extension of the superstructure. Here you experience absolute privacy while maintaining an intimate, unbroken connection with the elements, the whisper of the wind, the texture of the sea air. Embracing responsible cruising, Ferretti has integrated its FCA technology, the Ferretti Sustainable Enhanced Architecture. Photovoltaic panels on the hardtop capture the sun's energy, storing it in a formidable energy bank, a silent powerhouse of 14 high-density lithium batteries. The result is a sublime, environmentally respectful yachting experience, the tranquil sensation of gliding through pristine waters with minimal impact. This consciousness extends from the world outside to the very materials that surround you within. Step inside and the Infynito 80 becomes your personal sanctuary, a true extension of your home on the waves. The commitment to sustainability is woven into every surface, from rich lamellar teak and regenerated leather to eco-friendly paints, natural bamboo fabrics, and other recyclable materials. Owners can personalize this haven with two distinct moods: the classic, which taps into warm, earthy elements, or the contemporary, which comes alive with glowing woods and fabrics and fresh hues inspired by the colors of the sea. Each creates a sophisticated aesthetic of serene, bespoke comfort. This serene comfort is animated by effortless power. With the formidable MAN V12 1400 engine option, the Infynito 80 commands the sea with a maximum speed of 22 knots and a confident cruising speed of 17 knots. It is the quiet confidence to command any horizon on your terms. From its boundary-breaking design and sustainable heart to its bespoke interiors and commanding performance, the Ferretti Yachts Infynito 80 is more than a redefinition. It is the definitive answer for those who seek to own not just a yacht, but the horizon itself. For information, contact us at yachtspecsdirect.com, message Infynito, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for yacht updates.
For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.